Hello guys, welcome to Twing. In this tutorial, we are going to see about two programs in which the two programs are asked by TCS company. And at the end of the video, I have given you a task for you. So you guys try to solve that program also. And let's don't waste the time and move on to the video. So this is the second program in the series of tutorial. The options are given below. I will give you 10 seconds to try it yourself. If you need more time, you can pause the video and try it yourself. Let me run the program. The output is Twing 4. Let me explain how it came. So here you can see the inside the main function I is declared and the next line is for loop. The condition is I is lesser than 5. It means until I is 4 it will enter inside the loop. Once I becomes 5 it will terminate the loop. So inside the for loop there is an if condition. If I is lesser than or equal to 3, it means when I becomes 4 the condition will be fail. So until I is 3, if condition will be true and move to the continue statement. Continue statement is nothing but it will skip the current iteration. So totally there will be 4 iterations because the loop condition is I is lesser than 5. So inside the for loop if condition will be true until I becomes 3. So when I becomes 4 the if condition will be false, so continue statement won't work and go to the printf function. Inside printf function it will print Twing space current value of I is 4 and I will be incremented. So 5 is lesser than 5, so condition fails, then program will be terminated. This is the third question in the series of tutorial. So here is the program. The options are given below. I will give you 10 seconds to try it yourself. If you need more time, you can pause the video and try it. So let me run the program. So here you can see no output is produced. It means answer is 0 times. Let me tell you how it became. So here you can see the first line of the program is int x, it means x is declared. Second line is for loop. So the condition of the for loop is x is lesser than or equal to 10. It means once x becomes 11, the for loop will be terminated. It means until x becomes 10, it will move to the for loop. Inside the for loop, you can find the if else statement. So condition of the if else statement is x is lesser than 5. It means until x is 4, it will move to the if statement. If x is greater than 5, it will move to the else statement. So if statement contains continue statement. I have mentioned earlier that continue statement is nothing but it will skip the current iteration. So here break statement is it will skip the total iterations. It means it will terminate the whole loop. Until x is 4, it will move to the continue statement and skip the iterations. So once x becomes 5, it will move to the else block. So break statement will be performed. So it will terminate the loop. Printf function won't perform in this code. So the program will be terminated and hence produce no output. Here this is the fourth question in the series of tutorial, but this is the task for you. If you are able to find the answer, please comment the answer and also I will reveal the answer and explain in the next video. If you learn something new in this tutorial, press like button and subscribe Twing for future videos. Thank you and bye bye.